Whether you need a business plan for documentation purposes, to secure investors, or to apply for grants, we've got you covered. At Vicky Business Writing, we create detailed and compelling business plans tailored to your specific needs. Our success rate and experience. With over 3,000 expertly crafted business plans and an impressive 90% success rate, we help businesses get funded, stay organized, and grow strategically. Here are the main sections of the business plan. Executive summary, which include a powerful introduction that captures your business idea, key objectives, and funding requirements, all in a compelling and investor-friendly format. Keys to success. What sets your business apart? We highlight the critical success factors that will make your venture thrive in a competitive market. Mission and vision statement. Your mission defines your purpose. Your vision sets your future direction. We craft statements that resonate with investors and inspire confidence. Core values and business objectives. We outline your guiding principles and set clear financial and non-financial objectives, ensuring a well-defined growth strategy. Business model canvas. Using a structured business model framework, we break down how your company creates, delivers, and captures value. Company location and resources. From human capital to financial assets, we define your company's resources and introduce your leadership team to build investor confidence. Products and services description. Whether you sell a product or provide a service, we highlight what makes your offering unique and competitive in the market. Pricing strategy. We analyze market trends and competitor pricing to develop a profitable and competitive pricing strategy. Industry analysis and market size. We conduct in-depth industry research, analyze market size, and identify trends to position your business for success. Competition analysis and advantages. We assess your competition and uncover your competitive advantages while identifying risks and strategic solutions. Risk and SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. We provide a detailed SWOT analysis to help you make informed business decisions. Marketing strategy and sales plan. Our tailored marketing and sales strategies ensure that your brand reaches the right audience and maximizes revenue. Our premium package contains a financial plan. Here are the main sections of the financial plan. Financial overview and capital expenditure. The numbers matter. We develop a robust financial plan detailing expenses, funding needs, and expected returns. Projected income statement. Clear revenue projections to showcase your business's profitability and growth potential. Cash flow statement and financial position. We provide precise financial forecasts, helping investors see how your business manages cash flow and long-term stability. Break-even analysis. Understand the point where your business covers costs and starts generating profit. Crucial for investors and lenders. Ready to secure funding and take your business to the next level? Let Vicky Business Writing craft a winning business plan tailored to your needs. Click on the Fiverr link in the description to place your order now. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that the YouTube algorithm will push it to more audience.